My people, do you know that you can actually make multivitamins at home? Yes, you can make it yourself, because when you go to the market to buy all these multivitamins, if you see what they draw on top of it is only fruit. Only fruit. And these are the fruit that you can find anywhere. So in this particular one, I used only berries. So you can use any kind of berries that is available where you are. This is a season of berry. This is summer and berry is everywhere. Okay, so use what is available to you, and the most important thing is that you clean them properly. So I will tell you the reason why I decided to do this. If you go to the supermarket, there's a lot of people these days that they make different types of multivitamins, and sometimes you're not even sure of what you are buying. Okay, I know that I'm using juicer here, but if you have a blender, use what is available to you. And I live in Europe, where fruits and vegetables, you can find any type of fruit here in Germany and vegetables. So that is the reason why I am using this berry. So use what is available in your country, what you can find in your local supermarket, in your local shops, and you can also find in your garden. Yes, why not? A lot of people plant different types of berries in their backyard, and once the season is there, hey, you can also make these things, and you can make these multivitamins, and you can freeze them. So this is the pops. You can see this. Okay guys, this juicer is something else. Is mega good. Okay, I love it, and it did justice to this. So I bought these small containers, which I also use for ingwa shots, garlic shots, any shot type of shot, any type of things that I want to do, not smoothie anyway, anything I want to do, I use it. Okay guys, if you do these multivitamins, you can also freeze them. You can put them in glasses, like little glasses like this, and freeze them. And you can take just one shot a day. Every day you just take one shot. Wake up in the morning, let it be the first thing that you take. Okay, the same way you take your multivitamins at home, you can just take them. Use what you have, clean them properly. It is summer, fruits and vegetables are in surplus. Make use of this time to get all the vitamins for your body that you can. And you don't have to spend a lot of money buying these chemicals we have in the shop these days that is called multivitamins, when you can also get this from the fruits. So guys, after doing this, I'm going to just cover it. This should last us for 1 week. We are 2 in the house. Okay, and yes, I'm not just going to put them in the fridge because I don't want them to change taste. So I'm going to put half of them inside the freezer, so that when the first batch finishes, I can get the second batch. Okay guys, what do you think about this? Do you think it is something that you try it and let me know? It is simple, it is cheaper, it is healthy. The whole thing is that you even have an idea of what is entering inside your system, because I see all these multivitamins in the market and you see the pack, they are very nice, but hey, do you know what is inside? Do you know what is inside? But if you make it at home, these bottles are very cheap. You can find them on Amazon, you can find them on internet, and you make use of them. And this is not sweet, it's not sour, it's just a normal drink that everybody, even kids, are able to take. Okay, enjoy it.